Yeah, we're canning today. Not really. We're pickling today. Red onion. They're on sale at the grocery store right now. Andy went and got me 2 of them. Actually 3, we've eaten one. And what we're going to do is, it's an instant pickle. Not so much instant as tomorrow. It's almost the weekend. I know we're gonna have burgers this weekend, right? My favorite food. And I want these for on our burgers. So what I'm going to do, this measures 3 cups. Dollar store. I guess you call it Dollar General. We got ours from Dollarama. $2 was it?
No, I don't know.
So I've got here apple cider with the mother. I want half a cup. Did I do it? Yeah, pretty close. Enough. Half a cup. I want 1 cup of white vinegar. And this might be too much. I don't know. If it is, I'll sift it out. I've got here half a tablespoon of whole peppercorns. I'm looking at it.
Ooh.
I'm looking at this. I don't want that many. So I'm going to take that many out of it. That's it. We're going to be using a tablespoon of sugar. If you have organic, by all means, do it. There's our brine. How hard is that? And you have no idea how wonderful these are going to taste. They're good on burgers. It's good on any meat dish. It's good in your tacos. It's good just to eat out of the jar. They're delicious. And I wish I would have made these ahead so I could show you what they look like tomorrow. Because as you can imagine, with the red pigment, it's going to be beautiful. So we just take our red onion. I have a pot of water on the boil with a little bit of salt in it. I was supposed to add salt to this, by the way, but I'm not going to. I don't want to. If you want to, I think they ask for a tablespoon or a pinch, 1 or 2 finger pinch of salt. Look at that.
Yeah.
Cool, eh? And they also suggest cutting it in half. I want to try and get my rings thin but full. Personal preference. If you have a mandolin and you've got guts, don't get that, girls. Then by all means cut this with your mandolin. I'm going to keep this video short. You've seen people cut onion before. I'll bring you back at the next step. So we have our brine in here. We're just going to stir it up, make sure the sugar is all nice and dissolved. I love the smell of this with the apple cider vinegar. Our onions, we just want to take them and separate the rings a little bit. I have a second onion on standby if needed, but I don't think I'm going to. Now, on the weekends, it doesn't mean I have extra time to prepare our meals, but I like to try and think about what are we going to have, what can I make to accent those meals, to pimp it up, if you will, right? So, I know I'm getting burgers this weekend. So I'd like to have these for on the burgers, but we're also going to enjoy them in other dishes as well. So what we're going to do, we've got our pot of boiling salted 2-pinch salt water here. I want to put these into a pot of boiling water. We're not cooking them. We're going to start right now, 30 seconds. We're just going to put them in to give them a fright.
Yeah.
Don't put a hot pot on your counter at home. I'm doing this because this one's soon going to be removed.
Replaced, yes.
So, 30 seconds, okay? We didn't cook them. We stuck them in and gave them a fright. And that's the best way to look at it, is 30 seconds.
Onion water. Anybody want a drink?
Should actually use that.
Not me.
Not today. Actually, I could actually. I got a soup in mind. So now, we got some hot onion here. We're going to keep this out of the fridge until it's cooled, okay? This is hot, guys.
That's gonna be hot, man.
It's okay, I'm not a sissy.
Sissy girl.
I might add more water or onion.
Right.
Maybe not. This might be enough. Because I want the other onion.
Yeah, you don't want to overpack it.
Well, I could always add more. So we want to make sure everything's pushed down. Oh gosh, it smells good.
Oh, I can smell it. Wow.
Oh, and it's gonna have a nice crunch to it yet. Stir it up a little bit.
You have garlic in there too?
Nope.
No, okay.
Nope.
Oh, wow.
Look at that, guys. That is going to be so nice. And like I said, I wish I would have thought ahead and made this ahead so that you guys could see. Tomorrow, this is gonna look like beet juice. It's gonna be so dark, so red. It's gonna be beautiful. And it's gonna have such a nice crunch. So I'm gonna leave it out, opened. I want it to cool. Once it's cooled, it's going in the fridge, and tomorrow, oh baby.
Oh, you can smell that. Wow.
I know.
The brine and all that.
It's gonna be so good. So, canning, kinda, pickling for sure. A nice addition to your weekend meal or any day of the week. Salads, hamburgers, tacos, fish, meat. Oh, I love that smell. So, we're gonna enjoy this tomorrow. I hope you make it. I hope you try it. I mean, how cheap was this to make? And it really pimps up your meal. Have a good day. Remember to please like, thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell,
Ding, 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 ding.
and we'll see you tomorrow.